the space on your Gmail is getting filled, you can delete some files to make it possible for you to add more. All right, or maybe you got a notification that you should buy more storage from Gmail, which is not free. This video puts you through on how to remove some messages to create more space faster. The first step is to open your Gmail application. The first approach I want us to use is to remove some emails that we received years back that are occupying more storage on our account. So type inside the place where you have such email. Type older underscore than column. Then how many years past do you want to delete, starting from the emails? Maybe emails you received 10 years ago or 5 years ago, depending on how old this email is. Let's say 5, then why? What this means is that I want this to fetch emails in this my Gmail that are 5 years old. So those old emails, I don't need them again. So if your old is 1 year old, you type 1Y. All right, replace the 5 with 1. So after that, tap on search. So this has filtered and showed me some emails I received 5 years ago. So long press on the first one, which is P, in this case, the icon. All right, so I will long press on P for print test. Then this one is selected. Then I'll tap on select all. This has selected the first 50 emails I received 5 years ago. After that, tap on delete icon, which is at the top right. Okay. You can see it has deleted the first 50. Then long press again on Q or any letter that starts the first email on the list. Then tap on select all and then tap on delete. So do it this way until you clear emails of 5 years ago or 2 years ago or 1 year ago before we get to another approach. There are a lot of emails that are older than 5 years here, so I don't want to keep you waiting or keep doing this. All right, so let's proceed to another thing. So tap on the arrow that points towards the left to go back to the inbox. All right, so I'm here in the inbox. The next step you need to take is to tap on the 3 lines at the top left. Then scroll down, tap on trash. So some of those emails we deleted now are now in trash. So you will see this empty trash now. Tap on it. Then tap on empty. So this is going to delete about 890 emails here. So these emails I deleted from the inbox and they are moved here have now gone. So I have saved some storage. All right, in this case. Then let's get back to primary. Okay. Then tap on the 3 lines again. Then scroll down until you get to spam. Tap on spam. Spam emails are emails that Gmail perceived to be unsafe for you, maybe phishing emails. So tap on empty spam now. Then tap on empty. So they have gone. So I'll tap on this and then I'll select primary. So do the same so that will be on the inbox. If this video helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.